Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the process of setting up KidsGuard Pro on OnePlus 6. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started quickly and easily. Hi there, just a quick update on the installation process. This will only take about 3 to 4 minutes, so please be patient as we set things up for you. The most important is to make sure you have the necessary rights to access the target device before we proceed. Remember, you'll need to choose a plan to get started. Pick the one that best fits your needs. Welcome to our detailed setup guide for KidsGuard Pro on OnePlus 6 devices running Android 11. In this video, we'll walk you through every step of the installation process to help you get the most out of this powerful parental control app. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to effectively monitor and protect your child's mobile experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Downloading the app. On the target OnePlus 6 phone, open any browser, for example Google Chrome. Navigate to https://www.clevguard.vip to access the download page. Slide the bar to begin downloading the installation assistant app. Step 2. Installing the app on the target device. Once the download is complete, tap Install greater than open to launch the installer. When prompted with the Enable Install Unknown Apps pop-up, tap OK, and toggle on Allow from this source. Once the installation is complete, tap Install and wait for the progress bar to load. Afterward, select Install from the System Update Service window. When prompted by Google Play Protect, tap greater than open to install the Assistant app. Step 3. Setting up the Assistant app. On the ClevGuard EULA and Privacy Policy page, tap Agree to launch the app. Log in using your registered email address and password. Customize the profile by entering the name, gender, and age. Tap Next configuration proceed to settings. Scroll through the apps, find System Update Service, and enable it by toggling on Allow Display over other apps. Temporarily disable Google Play Protect by turning off app scanning and harmful app detection in the Play Protect settings. Step 4. Confirming the configuration. Return to the Assistant app and tap Already Set to confirm the configuration. Then, select Proceed to Settings Downloaded Apps System Update Service Use System Update Service to grant full control of the OnePlus 6 phone. Once the setup is complete, the process will continue automatically. Tap Proceed to Settings, navigate to Usage Access, and toggle it on. Enable the following: Allow Notification Access, Activate Screen Capture, Activate Location Access, Ignore Battery Optimization, and Enable Background Running. Lock the app from the Task Manager to complete the configuration. Tap Already Set in the Assistant app and select Verify Setup to finalize the process. Once completed, the installation assistant will be deleted from the target device without leaving any trace. The Assistant app will also go incognito, meaning it will no longer appear on the home screen or in the app library. By now, the setup process is successfully completed. Let's quickly recap what we've covered in this video. We've successfully downloaded and installed KidsGuard Pro on your OnePlus 6 phone, configured the settings, and verified the setup. If you need any further assistance, be sure to visit the support website or contact our customer service team. We're here to help. That's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For peace of mind and to ensure your child's online safety, click the link in the description below to download and set up KidsGuard Pro on your OnePlus 6 phone now. Your child's online safety is just a few steps away.